Now you gonna think,
give it to me, do it to me, give it to me. Don't stop, don't stop, don't stop, don't stop. The way you make me feel from deep down in my soul, I'm losing all control. Girl, I can't fight this feeling. It feels so right. Champagne and candlelight, the way you hold me tight. Girl, I can't fight this feeling. Oh no.
Woman, you're nice. Smile on your face is like you're right upon my life. Girl, me can't wait to give you everything you like. Hope you from the day you grace my sight. I guarantee that you'll be satisfied. Don't be afraid to break the rules. And to better things, so tell the little man to cool. I'm the lucky star, I can't believe I found a jewel. And them all a spot you on the tool. So make them know say that me have the tool.
The way you make me feel from deep down in my soul, I'm losing all control. Girl, I can't fight this feeling. It feels so right. Champagne and candlelight, the way you hold me tight. Girl, I can't fight this feeling. Oh no.
Woman, you bring the niceness, priceless. Girl, you have the place. Bossy, I forget. Yes, I love the chase. You know, say no bagger man can't come call your name. All where you gonna, you me claim. Woman, your body tight, hotter. Woman, you really blessed. All light, proper. Out above the rest, you are my darling empress. That's why, girl, I confess.
Yeah. Passion, passion. You dance and you smile, you beckon. And I just know what it is you reckon. Give me more, give me more. More, 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 yes. Hey, Miss Kisses, I'm gonna grant you your wishes. And you can bet on your 4-leaf clover. I'm gonna love you over and over. The way you make me feel from deep down in my soul, I'm losing all control. Girl, I can't fight this feeling. Oh, what a night. What a night, what a night. Oh gosh, what a night. I feel good when you're wrapped up in my arms, dancing to a reggae song. Feel good, feel good. I feel good, cause your perfume isn't loud, and only I can talk about. Feel good, feel good. You feel like velvet rubbing over my skin, and when your hair dances under my chin, wish we were alone, baby, just the two of us. Yes, every move you make gives me a rush. Oh, oh. Wine some more and show me that love unconditionally. Make believe we're alone, just you and me. Take the problems, leave them behind. Don't let it show. Go, baby, go, baby, go, baby, go, baby, go. I feel good when you're wrapped up in my arms, dancing to a reggae song. Feel good, feel good. I feel good, cause your perfume isn't loud, that only I can talk about. Feel good, feel good. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, what a vibe, what a vibe, what a vibe. What a night, what a night, what a night, yes, what a night, yeah. I'd love to wipe the sweat off of your face, but it looks so good I might have to replace. This moment is magic, so I leave it alone until you say, honey, time to go home. Oh, oh, oh. Wine some more and show me that love unconditionally. Make believe we're here alone, just you and me. Take the problems, leave them behind. Don't let it show. Go, baby, go, baby, go, baby, go, baby, go. I feel good when I'm wrapped up in your arms, dancing to a reggae song. Feel good. Every time I think of saying goodbye, I can't, no, I can't. Every time I think of saying goodbye, everything inside me says it's a lie. So I can't, no I can't, no I can't. Yes, yes, you've been with me right through the rough, and you never said I had enough. So I can't, no I can't, no I can't. Hey honey, I'd like to repay you for damages done. I know I won't be able to repair it all, 'cause I lost count. And with all the time you've been hurting, you're still so fine, and it's blowing my mind. I know I should pack and walk away and leave you nothing to remind, but I can't, oh I can't, no I can't, no honey, no.
Wish I was man enough to come out and say it to you, you know.
Like to repay you for damages done. I know I won't be able to repair it all, 'cause I lost count. And with all the time I see you hurting, you're still so fine, and it's blowing my mind. I should pack my things and walk away and leave you nothing to remind, but I can't, no I can't, no I can't. Every time I think of saying goodbye, everything inside me says it's a lie. So I can't, no I can't, no I can't. Hey baby, 'cause you've been with me right through the rough, and you never said I had enough. So I can't, no I can't, no I can't. Give me a break, baby. Need to be with you. The doctor's order. I feel a shiver. I'm feeling down and out. I'm a true believer. I know what it's all about. I know it's not the flu. It's all because of you. I feel a trembling when I wake. Come back and give another break. I feel a shiver running up my spine. This hurting feeling, it hits me all the time. Every time you go away, seems I can't live another day. Oh, my bed, it is so cold. You got my happiness on hold. Oh, I feel a ton of joy, and my heart gets warm, thinking about you, holding you, squeezing you in my arm. But as the day turns to night, loneliness gives me a fight. I'm afraid to close my eyes. it's another sleepless night. Oh, the shiver, the shiver, the shiver, baby. I'm on the doctor's order. I need you badly. The remedy is you, girl. Don't you know? Don't you know? I feel a shiver. I'm feeling down and out. I'm a true believer. I know what it's all about. I know it's not the flu. It's all because of you. I feel a trembling when I wake. Come back and give another break. I feel a shiver running up my spine. This lonely, lonely feeling hits me all the time. Every time you go away, seems I can't live another day. I feel a shiver when I wake. Come back and give another break. I feel a ton of joy and my heart gets warm, thinking about you, holding you, squeezing you in my arm. But as the day turns to night, loneliness gives me a fight. I'm afraid to close my eyes. Yes, it's another sleepless night. I feel a shiver, baby. I wish I had you. I wonder what the guys have said to you. Hey, honey, I seriously hope what they're saying is something true. Hope they tell you you've got heaven in your eyes. Saying you're a blessing wouldn't be a lie. And if they didn't call you sweetness, and if they didn't call you niceness, and how about sugar dumpling, then I guess they didn't tell you nothing, no. And if they didn't call you sweetness, and if they didn't call you niceness, and how about sugar dumpling, then I guess they didn't call you nothing, no. No, 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 no. Brothers keep forgetting they leave their women at home. With lust in their hearts, they keep looking on and on and on and on. Guess you get something every woman's craving for. I myself wish I had you behind my door. I just don't wanna call you sweetness, I just don't wanna call you niceness. And how about sugar dumpling? Then I guess I just don't call you nothing, no. I just don't wanna call you sweetness, I just don't wanna call you niceness. How about sugar dumpling? Then I guess I just don't call you nothing, no. No, no. Wish I had you for myself. No, 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 no. Hate to share you with even your mama and your dada. Can't help but want you, can't help but need you. Oh, I need you for myself. Nah. Maybe it's because I'm an African. Yes, I am. Got to feast my eyes on more than one woman every time. But whatever race or culture I belong, the blind would look at you and see there's nothing wrong. He would have wanna call you sweetness, he would have wanna call you niceness. And how about sugar dumpling? Every man would wanna tell you something. I just don't wanna call you sweetness, I just don't wanna call you niceness. And how about sugar dumpling? Then I guess I just don't tell you nothing. I told myself long ago I'd never give in. No, I was wrong. Dear woman, you never know how much I miss you. Wish that you could touch my hand just like you did before. I wish that you could call my name and make me surrender. I wish that you could feel my needs and know that I long for you. I miss every single thing we used to do. Baby, I surrender. I I can't fight it anymore. This war has taken toll. I'm out of ammunition. I surrender. Now you can have it your way. See, love is everything, and what I need to do. If I think I know you well, there is no new lucky man. I see that you're still hurting. It's gonna take time, and so I'm back again, just like a brand new man. Tell me what to do, and tell me how to play. I surrender. I can't fight it anymore. This war has taken toll. I'm out of ammunition. I surrender. Now you can have it your way. Just tell me what to do. Tell me how to play. See, you're at the crossroads. I took you there before. No more to explore. No, no. My life won't be the same if you say you won't remain that person I still adore. So why surrender? I can't fight it anymore. This war has taken toll. Out of ammunition, I surrender. Have it your way. See, love is everything, and what I need to do, well, yeah. Ooh, la 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 la, ah, yeah. La 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 la, ah, la. Last night was good, I held you tight, felt you close to me. They played your favorite song and mine, a night of melody. Like pumpkin and soup you glued to me, so embraced as one. From the moment I blessed eyes on you, I knew I'd be having fun. Can I have another date with you? And can we spend the whole night through? I'm so happy I've got tears in my eyes. Feel just like yesterday, when little kids come out to play. You've rejuvenated the youth that's in me, and make me feel like singing tra-la-la-la, tra-la-la-la-la. Oh now, ooh-la-la-la, ooh-la-la-la-la. Can I see you tomorrow night? Same time, same place. If moments like this really do exist, it shouldn't go to waste. Touch me in the same little cute way, melt my heart on the spot. You don't really have to say no more. I know what I've got. Can I have another date with you? And will you spend the whole night through? I'm so happy I've got tears in my eyes. I feel just like yesterday, when little kids come out to play. You've rejuvenated the youth that's in me, and make me feel like singing tra-la-la-la, tra-la-la-la-la. such a golden time.
I need you, I want the whole
now there's early and you say your place left to go. Someone's bound to come and try to spoil the show. Remember the songs used to make you rock away. Those were the days when love used to rain. We danced all night to the songs they play. We can come again. We do it just the same. Hey, hey, John Old Johnson, Ellis, Delroy Wilson, Dennis Brown. Hey, hey, Big U, Josie Wells, Dada Roy would wake the town. Yeah, and you had to hold your woman real close when Smokey starts to sing. Temptations, Marvin Gaye, Spinners all the way. Aretha Franklin, Patti LaBelle used to make me drift away. Play Stevie Play, sample Kenny Day. Yeah. We dance all night to the songs they play. We can come again, do it just the same. Right now, we need a brand new start. People everywhere need more music from the heart. And if there remains such a place that I can go, will someone tell me, I'd love to know. Remember the songs used to make you rock away. Those were the days when love used to rain. Yeah. Dance all night to the songs they play. We can come again, do it just the same. Yeah. I could tell you a story about what one dance can do. What one dance can do. One dance can do. One dance can do. Listen there. After one dance on the floor, she came back wanting for more, for more. Now I don't know what it is that I've got, but she whispered it was so nice, so nice. But her man is sitting across the way, and he could hear the things I say. Now he watches from the corner of his eyes. So a move like this would be so unwise. Ooh, ooh, he's standing in my way. Standing in my way. You could see she was more than ready to make the move with me anytime. Not even thinking of the consequences, oh no, no. So I had to think quickly, cause her man, his face was looking oh so mean, as if any time he could create a scene. So gently I pushed her away. Ooh, ooh, he wants to spoil the play. He's standing in my way. He's standing in my way. Whoa, whoa. Now I understand how he feels, but I wish he'd give me a little room. I know he's got himself a raw deal, ooh, ooh. But I'd like to leave with this lady soon. I didn't mean to be so unkind, but I had more than two, and the one was looking fine. had to have his own way. So did he, but he stayed, still standing in my way. Hey, hey. Standing in my way. Hey, hey. Standing in my way. Standing in my way. That just means she loves me now, and I must admit I feel the same. Listen now. Early one Sunday morning, as I took up my paper, decided to read. With a little voice saying, you might remember me, but I had wanna dance with you. Ever since the night we met, I must tell you true. You danced into my life, never out of my mind. And now between me and my man, it's so low. That's what she said. And I just want us now to get closer. She loves me now. That just means I can't complain. She loves me now. And I must admit I feel the same. And I know something special will have to come out. Cause the way you will be woman, there was no doubt. We would have to see each other, and it would not be long before we hit it off with a love that's strong, strong, strong. Though I know someone out there is hurt, but we got to get it on. It's natural that we were meant for each other. And if you run your life the way you dance, I'd be proud of that night I made my advance. She loves me now. That just means I ain't complaining. Hey, this is no disrespect, no disrespect, no disrespect, brother man. This is no disrespect, but could you step aside now? Another man wants to take over, cause you don't know what you got, so now it's time to lose it. Step aside now, let me show you how to treat a woman. She needs a tender touch, she needs loving, oh so much. Now tell me, are you crazy? Leaving her so long, oh, so lonely. Now she's a winner, so you better protect her. Oh, when you're feeling blue, you don't know what to do, she will comfort you. She's a dream come true, she will be your friend. When you think that it's the end, she's always around, always around. Step aside now. Another man wants to be the ruler, cause you don't know what you got, and now it's time to lose it. Step aside now. Let me show you something about your woman. She needs a tender touch, she needs loving, oh so much. Now tell me, are you crazy? Leaving her so long, oh so lonely. now another man wants to take over, 'cause you don't know what you got. So now it's time to lose her, yes. Step aside now, let me show you something about your woman. She needs the tender touch and loving, oh, so much. Now tell me, are you crazy, leaving her so long, oh, so lonely? Now she's a winner, so you better protect her. 'Cause when you're feeling blue, you don't know what to do. She will comfort you. She's a dream come true. She will be your friend when you think that it's the end. She's always around, always around. I'm so tired. What a confrontation this will be. Now look at me at 2:45. I wanna go home, that's where I should be. Don't know what to do or what I should say. Gotta make up my mind before night turns to day. Be early, she told me, I'll be waiting for you, honey. I'll make something special for you. Now how am I gonna enter? I can't afford to wake her with lipstick stains. I've got to tiptoe. Now double trouble is waiting. It's wrapped up in my bed. I'm tired, I'm sleepy, can't take the noggin in my head. Double trouble is waiting. It's wrapped up in my bed. I'm so tired, I wanna go home. Now this is my gate. Wonder if she's awake or asleep. If I know her well, she's somewhere taking a peek. What will my story be? This one better be good. Should I tell her I had a confrontation with Robin Hood? Be early, she told me, I'll be waiting for you, honey. I'll make something special for you. Now how am I gonna enter? I can't afford to wake her with lipstick stains. I've got to tiptoe. Now double trouble is waiting. It's wrapped up in my bed. I'm tired, I'm sleepy, can't take the noggin in my head. Double trouble is waiting. It's wrapped up in my bed. I'm so tired, I wanna go home. Now I'm worried for my life. It's going to 5. When I'm finally inside, will I still be alive? Now fate's behind the door. Gotta promise her a tour. The night is so cold, I can't take it no more, no. She told me, be early, I'll be waiting for you, honey. I'll make something special for you. Now how am it's nice to have you back around. At least I stand a chance, baby. It's nice to have you back around. It's been so long, I've been so crazy since you left town now. Ooh, baby, yeah, I'm gonna roll my red carpet out. Gonna jump and I'm gonna shout now that you're around. Ooh, now, if I sugar you want, come get some loving you want. Me have you lump some, baby you won't. My quota's not done. I'll give you everything under the sun. Gonna push you out in some fancy gears. Let the boys on the corner cry, living tears. And even they will have to admit, cause see them a come up with them little pink carpet. It's nice to have you back around. It's been so long, I've been so crazy roll my red carpet out. Gonna jump and I'm gonna shout now that you're around. Ooh, no. Sugar you want, I come get some loving you want. Me a the some baby you want. Under me Irish and me Magnum, I'd give you everything, daughter or son. Push you out in some fancy gears. Let the boys on the corner cry, live in tears. And even they will have to admit, cause see them a come up with them bad color carpet. Ooh now, yeah now. It's nice to ever smile again. I hope this comfort never ever end. Oh no. Genuine commitment is what I need, so I can hold my head up high, walking down the street. Ooh baby, if I sugar you want, come get some loving you want. Me I belong some baby you want. My quote is not done. I believe everything under the sun. Things I like to do, all the things I love to say. I cherish every moment that you're around. I might not show it cause I can't find words to say. I try to say I love you, but I get tongue-tied. I start to read your word and fail in every way. I wish you would stay longer.
Just a little longer.
Bright up my life like Disney World would. I wish you would stay longer.
To make me stronger and stronger.
But just like magic you were gone.
See ya. Oh man, just a little more time. Put the stay in on me world, I want you brighten up me life. Make it glisten like pearl, just a little more time. Put the stay in on me world, I want you brighten up my life. Make it glisten like you're a nice and decent, well brown top girl. Be the pillow to my castle, the mistress to my world. Brighten up my life, cause you're no shy girl. I want you walk me your life and give me full control.
I wish you would stay longer.
On the veranda.
Bright up my life like Disney World.
See ya. Merry-go-round.
I wish you would stay longer.
Don't disappear.
But just like magic,
right here.
you were gone.
I say.
Baby, you were gone.
Because we gonna stop a disappearing act. Gone out of me life and no hope she come back. So much things to say, so much things to chat. Hand on your leg and me mind on the clock. Just a little more time. Could stay in on me world, I want you brighten up my life. Make it glisten like pearl. Little more time. Oh my God, in on me world, I want you brighten up my life. Make it glisten like pearl.
I couldn't ask for more. Whenever you're in town, situation gets serious. I feel my knees begin to shake.
Trembling out.
Heart's being out of rhythm. Glad it's no doctor's case. Must get my act together. To lose you would be such a waste. I wish you would stay longer. Bright up my life like Disney World. I wish you would stay longer, girl. But just like magic, you were gone. Oh, honey, you're gone.
It brings sorrow to me heart and sadness to me face. Trembling from me, it go down straight to me waist. When you mash up me heart and mash up me pace and step in a hurry and move in a haste. So much things to say, I want to tell it to your face, but I can't find the words to fit the perfect space. Just a little more time. Couldn't stay in on me world, I want you brighten up me life. Make it listen like pearl. Little more time. Oh, my stay in on me world, I want you brighten up me life. Make it listen like
Here why?
Thought I could live without you. Thought everything would be fine. I saw nothing special about you, but still you were plaguing my mind. I used to take you for granted. You were the last name in my life. Presently you're the most wanted, at the top of my line. And it was yesterday when I saw you down the lane. You and my best friend
pussy real.
heart felt the pain. And now I'm falling in love all over again. Yeah. How could I ever doubt that you were my friend? I'm falling in love all over again.
Watch this.
How could I ever doubt that you were my friend?
Beres.
Yeah.
Oh, say that big man don't cry. You never miss the water till you well run dry. Would you find it in your heart to give me one more blight? I won't abuse the situation. This time I won't lie. On my nightly conversation, also me lullaby. Fresh and sweet orange juice, and me ends well fried. Garments well clean, from me socks to me tie. She's a friend, also a lover. That me not be shy. We express myself straight up to the sky. You, oh, say that big man don't cry. You never miss the water till you well run dry. Me say, oh, say that big man don't cry.
Now I'm falling in love all over again.
It's only natural.
How could I ever doubt that you were my friend? Yeah. Right now I'm falling in love all over again.
As I was saying,
how could I ever doubt that you were my friend?
watch this.
Yeah.
Woman, I miss all your sweet chat, and how you massage me back. It done me obviously say John time I get that. Woman want affection, somebody feeling pan. Through me ignorance, me never understand. I'm going to take time out to show me love motion. I make you know we can't stop correspond. I am the greatest lover boy in the island. More time you slip up, more time you go wrong. Hear me out, woman, I beg you understand. Even the wisest man, the great King Solomon, take with him picky and get a wrong back. That's how him losing throne in the great Babylon. So me say, oh, say that big man don't cry. I learn the hard way, woman don't ask me why you. Oh, say that big man don't cry. Beres Hammond.
I did not see what I was supposed to see. Taking it easy when a friend told me I was in danger. So much danger. Underestimating my woman, not taking her out. Working too hard and now she's gone off with a stranger. Someone I don't even know. I should have taken her out every once in a while. Dinner together on the fancy style. Show her a life that's all worthwhile. Now I guess I gotta walk an extra mile. I could beat myself. Oh yeah. Ooh yeah. I could beat myself. Oh yeah, yeah. I'm gonna feel funny out there in the crowd when my friends all ask me, where is your woman? Long time I don't see. Now I've got to think fast, gotta use my head. Give a good story and make sure they buy my version of the situation. Although I don't wanna lie, I'm gonna do this once. See my reputation sinking in a distance. If they knew the truth that really existed, then my little sanity would be wasted. I could beat myself. Oh yeah. Ooh, yeah. I could beat myself. Oh Lord. Ooh, I'm hurting bad. Ooh, I'm hurting. Now I'm gonna put the blame on the person that told me. They should realize that it's gonna destroy my position. Remember, I'm a name brand. Though I really wanna hear a little news now and then, this is not what I expect to hear from my friend. I'm disappointed. But now I've got to say, I should have held her tight every once in a while. Take her to dinner on the fancy style. Show her a life that's all worthwhile. Now I know I gotta walk an extra mile. I could beat myself. Oh yeah, nah, nah. I could beat myself. Oh Lord. That I didn't turn you down. Watched you all these years, holding your head up high, just wanting to be someone. When all the fellows around, they didn't pay you no mind. How could they not look twice? They must have been blind. but I could tell from the start you had love in your heart, and you wanted so much to let it go. Baby, you needed the chance to show a little romance. Now the table has turned, they're running you down. Baby, show it all. Show them what you got now, honey. Throw it off. Burn them 'cause you're hot now, baby. Let it off. Let them feel the heat now, honey. Show it off. You got them at your feet now, baby. Ooh, it makes me feel so good. Whoa, down. I remember standing on the corner with the brothers hanging out, and they'd stare at every woman, but never at you. But I've always admired and had a silent crush on you. But how could I tell the brothers? They'd laugh and say it's not true, and they'd call you names I'm ashamed to repeat, and even say you're walking in your sleep. Now, then you disappeared and came back last year. Now the same guys are saying, oh, what a heat, baby. Show it off. Show them what you got now, honey. Throw it off. Burn them 'cause you're hot now, baby. Let it off. Let them feel the heat now, honey. Show it off. You got them at your feet now, baby. Show it off and make me feel so good. Ooh, na na na. Wait a minute. Before you say another word now, tell me, what can you do to stop a man from trying? I said I wanna know now. What can you do to stop a man from trying? I wanna know. Yes, I wanna know now. What can you do to stop a man from trying? I wanna know. Said I wanna know now. What can you do to stop a man from trying? Oh, not with that big broad smile and the sexy dress you wear. It's totally impossible for a man with eyes not to stare. There is no reason to be so uptight when you got everything alright. By now you should know you're every man's fantasy. What can you do to stop a man from trying? I said I wanna know. What can you do to stop a man from trying? I wanna know. Yes, I wanna know now. What can you do to stop a man from trying? Absolutely nothing at all. Nothing you can do to stop a man from trying. Hey girl, check out your style. Brothers going wild. It's hard to keep control when you ride there on petrol. So little girl, don't cramp my style. Wave your hand, give me a smile. 'Cause after all, I'm one of your fans, yeah. Oh, na na na, na 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 na. Oh, na 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 na. What can you do to stop a man from trying? I said I wanna know. What can you do to stop a man from trying? I wanna know now. What can you do to stop a man from trying? Said I wanna know. What can you do to stop a man from trying? Oh, and not with that big broad smile. Don't make it no more. I see love from a distance, coming but slowly. I know it's gonna last forever. I just taught us for so long, with her heart all full of tears, and the wisdom in her eyes kept me safe through all the years. Make me grow to understand that there's still good folks around, and to treat me in your heart is to be on solid ground. I see love from a distance, coming back slowly. I know it's gonna last forever. I feel it's getting closer, closer and closer. It's the time we get it together. Whoa, whoa.
no argument in that.
I remember when we used to walk hand in hand, you were so close to me. And now all of my dreams are gone away, and loneliness came yesterday, and my heart's filled with pain and love for you. What did I do? Why are we through? If only I knew, Lord, if only I knew. I can't stand the pain of feeling like I'm not your man. I'm confused, yes I am. 'Cause now you were gone, and gone too long, and it wouldn't cross my mind to do you wrong, no, no, no. If cheating was a house, then I'd live outside. What did I do? Why are we through? If only I knew, Lord, if only I knew. I'm gonna burn in the morning sun and wait until evening come alive. Will not leave until you tell me what I've done. Burn in the morning sun and wait until evening come alive. Will not leave until you tell me what I've done. I can't stand the pain of feeling like I'm not your man. I'm confused, yes I am. 'Cause now you were gone, and gone too long, and it wouldn't cross my mind to do you wrong, no, no, no. If cheating was a past, then I'd live outside. What did I do? Why are we through? If only I knew, Lord, if only I knew. I'm gonna burn in the morning sun and wait until evening come alive. Will not leave until you tell me what I've done. Burn in the morning sun and wait until evening come alive. Will not leave until you tell me what I've done. Burn in the morning sun, I'll wait. I'm gonna be yours, babe, forever and ever and ever and ever and ever. This I promise you, baby, and believe me every word I say. You taught me how to love again. You keep on talking to me, babe, when I needed a friend. To love is such a wonderful thing. Not everybody knows exactly what it means. I'll be there for you, yeah. When you want me to, I'll come running, baby. I'll be by your side, and as long as the sun shines. be there for you. I'll be there for you. When you want me to. When you want me to. I'll come running, baby. Baby, I'll be by your side. As long as the sun shines, I'll be there for you, baby. For the rest of my life. And I'll be there for you. When you want me to. When you want me to. I'll come running, baby. I'll be there for the rest of my days. As long as the sun shines, I'll be forever yours, baby. For the rest of my days, I'll be there, yes. Never let you down. You can count on me. Always there. Yeah. I'll be whatever you want me to. So I never can understand it, the way the system planned. There's no hope or chance, no loophole, no escape for a sufferer man. 'Cause every time I lift my head above water and try to save myself from drown, there's an overnight scheme all worked out, designed to keep me down. Still I'm putting up a resistance. I'm gonna work it out. You know I'm putting up a resistance. I've gotta work it out. Window, no window. I wanna stay on tonight. I long to spend some time with the family, but staying home won't make it right. Sometimes the pressure make me feel like harder when every sign says no way down. Breaking my back to make an overtime dollar that just goes from hand to mouth. Still I'm putting up a resistance. I'm gonna work it out. You know I'm putting up a resistance. I've got to work it out. Lord, I'm putting up resistance. I'm gonna work it out. You know I'm putting up resistance. I'm gonna work it out, Lord. Got to fight it. Got to fight it. Though I never can understand it, the way the system goes. I don't know how they do it. It's only one way things flow. 'Cause every time I lift my head above water and try to save myself from drown, there's an overnight scheme all worked out, designed to keep me down. Still I'm putting up a resistance. I've got to work it out. You know I'm putting up a resistance. I'm gonna work it out. Whoa, putting up a resistance. I'm gonna work it out now. Putting up a resistance now. I'm gonna work it out. No window. Wanna stay home tonight. Like to spend some time with my family. Staying home won't make it right. Sometimes the pressure make me feel like harder when every sign says no way out. Breaking my back to make an overnight dollar that goes from hand to mouth. Still I'm putting up a resistance. I'm gonna work it out. You know I'm putting up a resistance. I'm gonna work it out. I'm putting up a resistance. I'm gonna work it out. You know I'm putting up a resistance. Got to work it out. You know I'm putting up a resistance. Putting up some fight. Got to fight. Putting up resistance. I'm gonna work it out right now. Putting up some resistance now.
DJ Jason, are the bodies. No argument, no inner.
DJ Jason are the bodies.